Right, I've gone through some boxes. I've come across the wiper motor. I've given it a clean and I've given it a paint. And inside you've got the workings. This here has got a little lump in it there, and it fits in there like that, and it goes back and forth. There's a micro switch there. If for some reason your wipers don't stop in the park position, it's because it's not reaching that button, and I'll show you after how to adjust that, but that's the principle of it. This then fits in, this fits in there like that, which is coming here. We've got the arm then that fits in there, and it also fits around here and is in position with a cat. Where's that? This fits on here and is locked in then with a washer and a circlip. Everything in here is greased, bar this, which is oiled. I'll put the cover back on now. Now this is how you adjust it. This moves up and down. So if it's not reaching that micro switch, you need to undo these two screws and just slide it forward a bit. And that should work then. And there we are, there it is, all in. I've oiled this piece here, and I've greased here. And that should go in now, put the cover in, and hopefully I can put it back in the car as one piece